So BlackBerry is coming back with a bang. A video has been posted on BlackBerry's official Twitter account which gives us a glimpse of the upcoming device. It shows off the rear panel of the smartphone, which is closely similar to the already available Key 2. BlackBerry just released a teaser video of Key 2 LE aka Key 2 LITE, which confirms that the handset will be officially launched at IFA 2080, which will be held on 30th August. The BlackBerry Key 2 LITE is expected to come with similar design and build like its expensive sibling. It will also retain a similar features, with slight distinctions only make it more affordable than the pricey Key 2. Despite physical keyboards having totally disappeared in the phones market due to big touch displays, BlackBerry is still releasing devices with physical QWERTY keyboards. Earlier reports suggested that the phone will be powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 636 chipset, running at a max clock frequency of 1.8 GHz, supported by 4GB of RAM and 32GB or 64GB of internal storage, depending upon the chosen variant. Rear plastic bag should house a dual camera configuration with resolutions of 13 and 5 megapixel, while the front camera should have a 5 megapixel snapper. At last, the battery will have a capacity of 3000 mAh. Excluding the keyboard, none of the BlackBerry Key 2 LITE alleged specs are impressive, so we hope at least that it will be sold at a reasonable price. When it will be launched, it will probably fall in the mid-range smartphones category. The higher-end variant has been priced heftily, which has contributed to low sales of the smartphone. The company might be aiming to cover the loss with a new affordable QWERTY keypad smartphone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do make sure to subscribe our channel and do press that bell icon, and do follow us on other social media platforms. Signing out. Peace.